The name of our project is hydro farming, and which is based on the theme of resource management. Food scarcity is a serious problem the world is facing today. Rapid population growth threatens to exhaust the world's natural resources. Thus, the reality is that two-thirds of the world's population is vulnerable to hunger. The available agricultural technology will not be able to meet the challenge of the present population growth. Most countries in the world and the United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change are working to prevent dangerous human interference of the climate system. Therefore, we have planned to make a self-sustained building that may help us to overcome the probable threats we can face in the future. Harvesting requires land and water, but unfortunately, both of these resources are stressed. We have thought to devise a farming system on the water bodies and not on land. Now, these are the three probable designs, as you can see, of the project in our daily life. Now, in this particular project, we will be taking in consideration the rectangular pattern. Our project hydro farming is a three tire level building and can be used at three levels, which is the central or mega city level, at urban city and small towns level, and at the rural level. Now at the central level, which is in our project, which will be particular consideration into the central level. The rooftop will be made with the solar panels. The middle layer would be used for harvesting the crops, and at the bottommost layer it would be used for fish farming. And to make these buildings self-sustainable, we have used the solar panels, as you can see, and the windmills. Now, this is the very basic structure at the central level, which would be a very large one, as you can see, and also have some very complex mechanical properties. The buoyant structure would have a large rectangular gap or junction in the middle. The integer of the area applied on the regard with structure would be taken such that the buoyant area is in equilibrium. Because of the rectangular gap, the structure would be divided into two mass parts. Now, the structure will have a strong and durable glass which uses its compressive strength for attaining the maximum sustainability. It is also called as compressive strength glass. The glass will have to be laminated as shown below. The glass, which known as Gorilla Glass, as you can see here, would be placed inside into order to offer more tensile strength. The terrace of the structure would hold two sheets of lenses. The upper lens, which would be biconcave, will focus the sunlight to a point which, on passing through the second biconcave lens, gets uniformly distributed. The space between the two lenses will be fitted with transparent artificial solar light such that the sunlight as passing through the first sheet of the lens does not get interfered by the artificial solar light. The solar light would come into effect when the sky would be cast with the clouds. The two solar thermal collectors at either side will provide a smooth supply of the current to the solar light. The solar thermal collectors installed at one side would weigh exactly the same as that to be installed on the other side. The panels attached on either side of the wall would be connected to a tank containing boiling water with the help of tubular pipe, and the pipe being connected to a pump when converts the heat energy into electrical energy. Now this is a mere cost analysis that we have made. The project has a vast future prospect, and the project has vast future prospect and a bright future. The hydroponic farming technique would generate employment opportunities. The farmers would be employed to cultivate crops and would get a good salary too. A large number of ancillary industries may get set up. Like the soil, we need more organic and biofertilizers. The industries may start to produce the biofertilizers as well. The rate of decline of land-man ratio would decrease. The pressure on agricultural lands will also be released. Thus, this hydrofarming at the central level can be globalized in the future. Thus, the hydrofarming will be reduce the food and land prices in the future years.